Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your public swimming pool business. While running a public swimming pool, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding booking, inquiry, availability and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will tell you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your swimming pool business. By using Pabbly Chatflow, this chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have created this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and over here I will type a key message. For example, hey. After entering the key message, I got a response reply which welcomed me to the Pabbly Pool Assistant. And with that, they have given me 3 action buttons which I can choose according to my requirement. Let's say I wanted to know about pool hours. I will select that. After selecting pool hours, they got me a reply in which they mention about their hours. And with that, they have given me 2 action buttons, talk to support and menu. Let me select menu button. After selecting the menu button, I got the initial message again. For this time, let's choose book swimming lesson. To book a swimming lesson, I need to give some of my personal details like my name, age, preferred time slot and type of lesson. I will enter every single detail. After entering my detail, I got a response reply in which they responded, our coach will confirm the timing and fee shortly. Note, all lesson include safety, supervision and pool access. And with that, they have given me 2 action button, talk to support and menu. So yes, you can see this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better. That too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and over here we will search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as I have searched this, I will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Over here, you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free. As I am an existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be redirected to the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But today, as I am working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on that. After clicking on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place. To add your WhatsApp number, you need to click on Add WhatsApp Number which is given on the top right corner. Under this, there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Management account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Okay, not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer and you do not need WhatsApp separately. After inbox, there is contact section where you can create all new contacts and separate them according to your requirement. Below that, there is team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, we have template where you can create customized template and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chart. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have flow, which is a powerful tool to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI assistant, setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created separate video for that. Now, as we got the overview of each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, I need to click flow. And as soon as I have clicked on the flow, I will be redirected to the flow builder page. Over here, to create a new flow, I need to click on Add Flow button. After clicking on Add Flow button, you will be landed on this page. Here, you can see a window is open named by Flow Start. Inside this, there are 3 features, keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find, match or filter specific text. After that, we have keywords. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building this flow. For that, you need to give a meaningful name to your flow. As we are making this chatbot for public swimming pool, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your public swimming pool. After giving meaningful name, I will enter reject, which will identify what my customer was trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to deliver them a welcome message with media. For that, I will drag and drop media button from message section and connect with my flow start. Over here, I will browse an image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I will enter my welcome message. For that, I will click add content button and select text button. Under this, I will enter, "Hey there, welcome to Pabbly Pool Assistant, your all-season swimming buddy. I can help you with..." Now, with this welcome message, I will enter few action button. For that, I will click add button option and enter my message, pool hours. For my next action button, I will enter book swimming lesson. And for the third action button, I will again click on add button and enter my text, talk to support. After entering all three action button, I will give separate message for each action button. Let's start with pool hour. To tell my customer about pool hour, I will give them a separate message. For that, I will drag and drop and click on the text button and enter my message, in which I will mention available hours. After that, I will add action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter talk to support. And for the next action button, I will enter menu. As we are done with our first action button, let's move to our next action button, which is book swim lesson. To book a lesson, I want to know few details of my customer. For that, I will drag and drop ask question button over here and connect with my action button, which means as soon as my customer click on this action button, a question will be asked to them. Over here, I will enter my message, in which I will ask my customer about their name, age, time slot and type of lesson. After that, I will select my contact custom field as booking and my format as any. Now you must be wondering how to add contact custom field. For that, you need to save your flow. As soon as you will save your flow, you get a message that flow updated successfully. That means your flow is saved. And come with me to the settings section. Over here, you can see a feature is given named by contact custom field. As soon as you will click on this, you will be landed on this page. Over here, you can see there are multiple contact custom fields are created. You can also create different contact custom field as per your requirement. Now I will resume back to my flow. After knowing detail of my customer, I will send them a confirmation message. For that, I will drag and drop and select the text button. Here, I'm going to enter my message, in which I will mention that our coach will confirm timing and fee shortly. With that, I'm going to give two action button, which says talk to support and menu. I will connect menu button with our initial message, so that as soon as my customer select the menu button, they will get initial message again. Now let's move to our third action button, which is talk to support. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop and select the text button and enter a separate message for talk to support. Something like this, in which I will mention that our team will contact them soon, and with that I have given our phone number and email ID. Now I'm going to connect our all talk to support button with this message, something like this. As you can see, I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to run a public swimming pool business. Now don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.